Lily, that's my glue.
No, it's mine. I saw it first.
Wait, I know what to do.
Grab a glue stick and wrap it with aluminum foil. Roll out polymer clay, then wrap the clay around the glue stick. Get a small piece of polymer clay. Roll it up and flatten it as well. This will be the nail to our finger. Use a glue stick to make an incision for the opening. Make small crevices on the finger. Now, wrap the knob with aluminum foil. Cover it with clay and form a bone shape. Make sure you take the glue stick out of the clay before you bake it. Once the clay is cool, put it back onto the glue stick. Paint to add more details. How creepy!
Lily, get the glue stick.
What is this?
Oh, it's a creeper! Why are you so scared, Lily? It's just a glue stick.
Huh? Glue stick?
Yeah, did you want to use my finger glue stick?
Ew, get that away from me! Huh? Where's my pencil pouch? I remember leaving it here.
Lily needs a pencil pouch? I'll give her mine.
That's so weird. Oh, what is that? It's a brain!
Cut out the shape of brains on 2 foam sheets. Then cut off 2 more strips. Make sure they're the same size. Now glue the strip onto the brain. Grab a zipper and glue 2 smaller sheets onto it. Then glue that to the brain as well. With cardstock, cover one side of the brain. This will act as a stabilizer. Now, with a wet foam brick, cut it in half. Then, sculpt it into the shape of a brain. Now, use a pencil to sculpt the wrinkles. Once glued on, use red hot glue to decorate. Don't forget the red paint. Wow, it looks so real.
Oh, why are you so scared? It's just a pencil pouch. See, Lily? Look!
Oh, you scared me, zombie. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where did I put my stapler? What is that?
Huh? Why are you so scared?
Use adhesive foam sheets and draw teeth on them. Make them different sizes and shapes for a variety. Once done, cut them and stick them onto the stapler. Now cover with red hot glue. Paint the teeth for a scarier effect. Let's hope it doesn't bite.
It's just a stapler, look! See, it's just a stapler.
Okay. It's a creepy looking stapler. Thanks anyways.
You're welcome. Lily, can you help me do this problem?
Yeah, but your breath stinks.
My breath? Ew, man, it's so stinky. What can I do?
To help a zombie's bad breath, all we need are these ingredients: cinnamon, lemon, baking soda, honey, and water. First, cut the lemon into halves. Squeeze some lemon into the cup, then add some honey. Pour some water into the cup. Add some baking soda, and then use a cinnamon stick to mix it all up. And now you have a mouthwash solution. Use it twice a day and your breath will improve in 2 weeks.
My breath doesn't smell bad anymore. Thank you, Lily.
No problem.
Okay, can you help me with this problem now?
Yeah, I think for this problem the answer is... Ew, my hands are so dirty.
What's wrong with you, Lily?
chalk is so dirty. I need a chalk holder.
Cover a part of chalk with aluminum foil. Then extend it and add a bulb at the end. Roll up a smaller piece of aluminum foil and repeat 4 more times. These will be your fingers. Now, glue them onto the bulb. Wrap clay around the aluminum foil. Why, hello there! With a strip of clay, add it around the bony thumb. This will be the excess skin. Then, paint. Once done, use a syringe to drip blood around the arm. Let's hope the arm doesn't move around.
Oh, it's so creepy. What is it? It has blood. Take it away.
Calm down, Lily. It's just a chalk holder. Look.
Oh, let me see. Why is your chalk holder so gross?
Because I'm a zombie. Duh. Lily, look.
Oh, put it away. It's so scary.
No, this is for you.
No, Professor Max, she's scaring me. Professor Max.
Huh? Why are you screaming? You're supposed to be taking your assignment.
I'm trying, but she keeps scaring me. Look. Ah!
What? Again, zombie?
First, grab a cup and clay. Then cover the cup with clay. Now create the indentations for the eyes. Carve the nose and use strips of clay as the mouth. Paint the eyes, nose, and mouth black. On only one eye, create the eyeball. Don't forget to make it as creepy as you'd like. On the other eye, place red hot glue as blood. Now, paint the skull gray to give it a ghoulish look.
This is a present for my bestie. It's a pencil holder. Look.
Oh, it's just a pencil holder, Lily. Why are you so scared?
I'm sorry, Professor Max.
Focus on your assignment.
Please take my pencil holder. I spent the whole day making it for you, my bestie.
Thank you, zombie, but I'm still scared. They're so funny.
Lily, give my phone back.
Hold on, can I finish the video?
I know what to do. Magic.
Huh? What is this?
Cover a phone case with clay. Then paint the outer edge with black and blend it out with gray. Add a sphere in the center and encircle it with more clay. Blend it out and cover with paint. Now color the iris, then onto the teeth. Add gums and the mouth. Don't forget to color it as well. Add black around the teeth for more depth. Now use a skewer to form a scar and color it. Then form holes to add stitches on them. Don't be afraid to add a bit of color. Don't forget the mouth. How scary!
It's just a phone case, duh.
Can you just take the phone case off? I want to finish watching my video.
You want to finish the
No.
Hey, Lily, look. They left the camera here. Why are you so scared? It's just a chalk holder.